Our guest speaker today is First Sergeant John Edwards, the First Sergeant of Bravo Company in Arkansas Recruiting and Retention Battalion. First Sergeant John Edwards was born in Hot Springs, Arkansas in 1982. He joined the Army National Guard as a high school senior in May of 2000 and attended basic combat training at Fort Benning, Georgia, followed by his AIT at Fort Gordon, Georgia. He mobilized during Operation Noble Eagle from 2003 to 2004. He joined the Arkansas Recruiting and Retention Command in June of 2004 and graduated SQI4 in September of 2004. First Sergeant Edwards served as a Recruiting and Retention NCO from October of 2004 to April 2015. During this time, he enlisted and trained over 220 new soldiers in the Arkansas Army National Guard, receiving multiple state of Arkansas top 10 recruiting awards and numerous other state recognitions. He is a graduate of Army Airborne School, Air Assault course, and served as rappel master for his state and RSP sites. First Sergeant Edwards was promoted to Recruit and Retention NCOIC during fiscal year 2015, and then selected as Company First Sergeant in fiscal year 2016, where he's currently serving the soldiers and NCOs of Bravo Company Black Knights. In the fall of 2017, First Sergeant Edwards was inducted into the Arkansas Army National Guard Recruiting and Retention Hall of Fame. He is married to his high school sweetheart, Melissa, and they have 3 sons, Caleb, Ethan, and Gavin. It is my pleasure to introduce to you First Sergeant Edwards.
Y'all look good. How do I look? I checked myself in the mirror on the way up, not too bad. But hey, it is a very distinct honor to be here with you guys, okay? And I'm going to be very brief, I promise. I will not spend a lot of your time until you're ready to get on the road, get back home, see your family, get to work, right? But I'm not going to waste your time. So the words I'm going to say, I hope that you take something with you. I'm going to try to say something that has an impact in your life. So I want you to take 1, maybe 2 things, okay? I'm going to stop my foot on a couple of those things that they should be. First of all, you think you know, but you have no idea how big of an impact you're about to have in the lives of men and women. Okay? It's a big deal. Don't take that for granted. Hey, by the way, on that bio, it's long, it's kind of boring. I'll shorten it up. There's something real cool happened last year. I didn't update it yet. A kid, 17 years old, swore in to the Arkansas Army National Guard at 13 Bravo. Cool? If you signed up for this as a job, wrong answer. Okay, this is a lifestyle. Got it? You can't do this. You're not a readiness NCO, you're not a training NCO, it's not supply, it's not unit admin. You think you're going to be able to go 7:30 to 3 o'clock? Doesn't work. 9 to 5, it's not happening. It's a lifestyle, okay? It's kind of like PT. If PT is something that you put on your calendar, you're like, hey, I'm going to go get PT. Well, you're never going to be good at physical fitness, sorry. But if it's part of your life, then you're going to rock it. Then you're going to be a 2-7, you're a love guy or girl. This job's the same way. You can't turn it off. You can't silence your cell phone. Okay? You can't hold up your laptop and put it in your bag. And it's part of finding a balance, right? Because you're going to put your family first. But sometimes, if this is a job, it will come before your family, so you can't do that. It's got to be part of your lifestyle. So that's the deal. You'll find success if this becomes part of your life and not a job. Find that balance. So let's talk about a couple of basic responsibilities. You probably know about those, right? Accomplishing your mission, welfare of soldiers, kind of a big deal. It works perfect in this position, guys, because that's it. The only thing you got to do is make your mission and take care of those kids that you put in, those young men and women. Take care of your soldiers. If you take care of your soldiers, they will take care of you. And I'll tell you, I don't know too many places in the Army where you can have an immediate, direct impact and also a very broad influence, right? You can have immediate impact with those kids that you put in and you train them, you build them in your likeness. Hey, there's 2 people that will never forget in our military career, right? Who are they? Recruiter and drill sergeant, right? You all heard it. It's true though. And I bet if we polled the audience right now, everybody in here would have something to say about their recruiter. And it's one or the other, right? Which one are you going to be? What's your legacy going to be? Okay? Take that with you, because you're going to start building it tomorrow. Next thing, mission, accomplishing it. How are you going to do it? Hey, look at me right here in the eyes. Live in your high schools, okay? That's it. Live in your high school. You don't have a high school and a college degree, live in your college, okay? That's it. Then work the science. You heard about that? There's a science and there's an art. The science is the numbers, guys. That's it. Some of you guys, you're science guys. You may not be very good at the art. Like, I have a hard time talking to people. Maybe you're not comfortable. That's fine. Work the numbers. Work that science. Some of you are like, man, I can talk to anybody. I can sell a ketchup popsicle to a girl in white glove, something like that. But here's the thing. If you can take the science, those numbers, right? That 5, 1, 2, 1 plus 1, that's a real thing and it works. And then you take it even good at the art, you combine those things, man, that's when you're really doing it, okay? That's when it becomes easy. And it probably won't be easy for another year, okay? So know that. I'll be honest, it's probably gonna suck before it gets good. Cool? Okay? It's very humbling. Be prepared. NCOs, probably never, ever failed anything in your life. You will have failures in this job, okay? It's gonna come, you've heard that. It's okay. Be resilient, take it in stride, you got this. It'll get better. This time next year, you have your head up high, your chest out, you'll be doing good. Last thing, this goes without saying, do the right thing, okay? Don't compromise your integrity, don't compromise your moral courage. It's not a matter of if, it's when you find yourself in that situation, okay? It's gonna happen. Do the right thing, reach out to your battle buddies, police your peers, okay? Don't forget, don't let your buddies forget that we're professionals, non-commissioned officers, leaders, hope. Thanks, guys.
Thank you for those words of encouragement, First Sergeant Edwards.